Sub-assembly, assembling, oil pump. Clean the oil pump parts thoroughly using high flash point solvent and dry using compressed air. Lubricate the parts using engine oil. Before installing the oil pump cover, install the outer rotor and the rotor shaft. Install the inner rotor. Ensure the punch marks on the rotors are facing upwards during assembling. Check pump outer rotor to body clearance. Check inner rotor and outer rotor tip clearance. Check the side clearance. Install the pump cover and tighten the screw and check for free rotation of the rotor shaft. Install the pump cover by aligning it using the dowel pins.